Yo, what's up YouTube? This is my crib. Let's check it out. But before we do it, let's go check out the vehicles. Yo, here's the ride right here. It's the 2020 Chevy Trail Boss. We got the Cajun red, tinted out windows, 18-inch rims. Eventually we're going to upgrade those to some 20-inch rims, get a little bit more height and meat on those tires. Here's the entryway into the crib. I'm going to rip out the old laminate flooring, install some tile, and change up the railings and give it a fresh paint job. Now we enter into the living room. We're gonna have a big entertainment area here. Remove those blinds, remove that top box up there. Looks like someone may have gotten murdered in the living room. I can assure you, no one did. At least I don't think so. I haven't seen any ghosts yet here, but I'm gonna rip out that carpet, remove all those shelves and cabinets up top there. Here is the formal dining room. I'm going to change this into the billiards room. Everyone's got to have a billiards room, you know. Have a little bit of scotch on, counter. Nah, I'm just kidding about that, Don't kill me, Mom. As we walk into the mud room area, going to remove that closet space there. Going to build a nice built-in area. The washer dryer setup. I'm going to install face fronts and washers and dryers. Remove that sink out. Build a drop sink in. It's going to look state-of-the-art. It's going to look mint. I'm thinking I'm going to remove those cabinets up top. Put in some shelves there. Here's the half bathroom. Wallpaper is beautiful. If you like berries, we're going to keep that up for you. Just kidding. It's ugly. We're going to remove that. It's some work to do there. But here's the garage. I'm going to keep all 45 cars in mine. I'm just kidding now. This is going to be the wood shop. Plenty of space here. It's going to work out wonderful for me. Welcome to the kitchen. We're going to do a complete gut job here. We're going to build our own cabinets in here. We're going to push that ceiling up because it's got that fake ceiling. Be able to get some bigger cabinets in there. We're going to remove that cabinet on that side. We're going to build that counter out into the area, into which they say another formal living room, but we're going to make this a big, grand dining room over here. Put bar stools in. Build a nice fancy table. Obviously you can see outside, but it's got that terrible wood paneling. We're going to remove that, put some drywall up. With the fireplace, either I'm going to paint it black or I might whitewash it. I'm not sure yet. The cabinets on the sides I like, but obviously they're super dated. We're going to build our own built-ins and install them there. So that's going to come down the road. Stay tuned for all that. Eventually we're going to put a nice lighting. But here, this is the first floor master bedroom. This is where I'm going to be staying at. Again, it looks like someone got murdered in here, drug through here. I couldn't tell you what happened. Honestly, there's not a lot of details in the estate sale. Closets, they're all going to get removed. We're going to build one giant walk-in closet into the then walk-in bathroom. Everything's going to get a nice, modern, crisp, clean look. If you're trying to hit the Instagram shots, get that perfect lighting, we're going to set it up for that perfect opportunity. But the floor is going to need a nice sanding. We're going to end up, staining them a dark, probably black color, dark brown, something like that. Now we're going to make our way up the stairs here. Eventually, again, I'm going to get that carpet removed out. There should be wood underneath there. Be able to give a nice, clean look, and kind of go from there. But as you see here, we're on the top of the second floor now. Here's one of the bedrooms. It's one of the smaller bedrooms, but nonetheless, it's a bedroom. We're going to be able to remove that wallpaper. It's already peeling off. Remove those terrible blinds. Again, with the closets, we're going to do a complete gut job. We're going to make a nice fancy closet there. Even if I'm not staying up there, if I sell this house down the road, we're going to make it look nice. Here's going to be the office space. I'm going to have my merch up here, be able to edit in here. I know it's going to be a perfect spot for me. It's just going to take some time to get it all updated and moved in. As we make our way through the upstairs now, there's a big exhaust fan there. Down the road, we're going to tell you what happens with that. Definitely don't know how to use it, but we'll have an electrician come out and take a look at it. Now here's definitely a murder bathroom. Tell me if I'm wrong, but this looks like someone literally got murdered. Like this house, everyone got murdered in every room. No, I'm just kidding. Again, it's just iron. That was an old person. They didn't keep clean. They got too old to keep up with it. But really, the bones are in great shape. This is going to be a complete gut job. Going to have to remove the subfloor. I'm going to do a tile shower, new toilet in there, a new built-in sink. But here's the upstairs master bedroom. you know, if you're over like 6 feet tall, you're probably gonna get your head chopped off from this fan. So it's definitely gonna need to be removed. I don't know who put that up there, but it's something. You get a nice view of the backyard still from that upstairs floor. Again, all the carpet's getting removed. Those closets, I'm probably going to remove, probably build a wall or flush everything out. Because here is another storage space. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I've seen an idea of maybe making into a another full master bathroom up here, or it might be a hangout spot, or it might lead to storage. This area is still up in the air. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet with that. And then we're going to make our way to another storage room, you know, in this upstairs area. What I'm going to end up doing is make this a walk-in closet, you know, shoe racks, you know, everything, you know, very grand, spectacular. You know, if you want to live downstairs, upstairs, you know, you've got options. Or, you know, if you want to, you know, have a guest room, you know, it's going to be spectacular. Down in the basement, you can see here, it's really just utility. Obviously, it's got the boiler system in there. It looks like the hot water tank's leaking. I've got a piano. If anyone's in the Medina area, if you want a piano, come get it. It doesn't work. I don't use it. It's got the water softener system, you know, for that well. Got some crawl spaces. So it's definitely going to take some use to know how to use all that. But here's the nice thing. You walk out on this patio, especially near sunset. Sunsets are amazing. And then you look up, you can see the stars, the Big Dipper, everything. Like, this is the spot to be. You know, it's about 3/4 of an acre for the yard. It's very peaceful, very quiet. But, you know, this deck's going to get removed. I'm going to build something. Then eventually I want to build an in-ground fire pit outside. You know, it's going to be a project. You know, stay tuned throughout the years and follow along this journey. You know, appreciate it. You know, if you like this video, leave a like, hit that subscribe button. But stay tuned for the future renovations of this project house.